guys, Paul Johnson, DFWEuroCars.com, coming to you live from Dallas, Texas, with another special used vehicle. Only this time, it's not a European sedan. We're looking at a 2013 Freightliner with low mileage. I mean low, like 117,000 miles. Well, not actual miles. You see, this Freightliner sleeper cab has a fully rebuilt drivetrain, full engine and transmission overhaul with a transferrable warranty to the buyer. So the new engine and transmission only have 117,000 miles. These are million-mile trucks. Heavy diesel, over-the-road trucking, requires a CDL. And this, while doesn't necessarily require CDL to purchase, this is going to require cash. $33,000 exactly. Anybody in the trucking world knows that $33,000 cash for brand new sleeper with only 117,000 miles. I mean, that'll take you from leasing to owning and operating. So like I said, we got a 2013 Freightliner, full engine rebuild, transmission rebuild, transferable warranty on both to the buyer. The truck is also parked at the professional heavy diesel mechanic shop where he personally performed the work. So obviously he has receipts and can vouch for the car or for the truck professionally. The diesel engine was replaced within the last year by this same reputable heavy diesel mechanic that I've just been talking about, with receipts to prove the work was done profesh. Transmission is the same. It was also replaced within the last year by the same gentleman, with receipts show the work was done. Again, the price, $33,000 cash money. No financing, as usual. This is a pristine sleeper cab, as you can tell by the video and pictures. That paint is gorgeous. The photos don't really do it justice. But, man, I would call it jade green. It's beautiful. Seeing it in real life really, really brings a sparkle. Really stands out. But yeah, it's pristine. Has a sleeper. It's heavy duty. All the amenities you can expect on a 2013 Freightliner diesel. The truck, again, needs nothing, as extensive maintenance has just been performed. And as they say in the industry, this thing is now really, really fully bulletproofed, as reliable as they come, now that it's been completely overhauled. And it is ready for a test drive for a serious buyer. That means no trades. That means cash ready. That means you probably should have a CDL. Again, this is the deal of a lifetime. This is the Craigslist deal of the day. If you're an established CDL trucker and you've been hoarding away your nuts like a squirrel and you have a little chunk of cash, this thing is ready to triple your income. This thing's ready to hit the road, running, not looking back. Unless you need to use your mirrors, of course. But, yeah. Obviously, a CDL will eventually be required to drive this commercially. Not necessarily required for the purchase. What if you're purchasing it for your son who's about to get his CDL and you're going to surprise him? This would be, what an amazing surprise. I wish I had a dad like that. Wow. Anyway, just speculating. Cash is required, of course, for the purchase. And this this truck is safely located at the heavy diesel mechanic shop who perform the work. So, who can personally speak more highly of this work truck than the man who's personally seen the heart and soul of it and, you know, come out ready to do another 100,000, 117,000 miles, probably times 10. These are million-mile trucks. So, uh, if I can get information on what the original mileage is before the overhaul, I'll post that. Again, it's Paul Johnson, dfweurocars.com. Phone number 214. I know what I'm talking about. Phone number is 469-810-0908. That's the phone number for DFW Eurocars. If you want my cell, my personal line, that's usually got to pay for that, but no, it's okay. 469-900-9209. Again, it's Paul Johnson, DFW Eurocars. I'm posting this on my website, obviously, dfweurocars.com. I'll also be posting it on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. Thanks.